The iSonic F3900 is a niche little machine built specifically for dental appliances, retainers, night guards, dentures, and the like, and it nails that job. It's compact, countertop-friendly, one-button operation with an automatic 5-minute cycle and ultrasonic action designed to reach into the tiny nooks of aligners and mouthguards. On official listings and retail sites, the F3900 typically sits in the mid-$40s range, and it's a long-time popular choice with ratings hovering around the low 4-star mark from thousands of users. People buy it repeatedly because it's simple and effective. In practice, the F3900 feels pleasantly utilitarian. No flashy bells, just reliable cavitation that lifts plaque, stains, and residue. Users report that a quick soak in tap water, sometimes with a denture cleaning tablet, followed by the 5-minute ultrasonic cycle, removes buildup far better than brushing alone. If you're on clear aligners or wearing a retainer nightly, this drastically reduces odor and visible film. Downsides: the tank is small, designed for dental appliances, so it's not a general household jewelry cleaner, and some buyers mention longevity issues after heavy daily use. Also, it's not a disinfectant. Think cleaning and stain removal rather than sterilization. Bottom line, iSonic F3900 is an affordable, purpose-built tool for anyone who wears removable dental devices. It's compact, easy to use, and a clear step up from manual cleaning. For folks who care about appliance hygiene and convenience, this is a solid little investment. And yep, we share by links in description box.